you didn't want to be called Grandma.
I'm not. I'm gonna be called Grandma. Grandma.
I was fighting with my hair. I need to wash my hair.
I'll come this way.
You and Chris always come this way, and I always ask y'all why.
Because I be thinking, because it's this time of days, but this the quickest way.
The back streets has no lights.
Somebody look tired. Still dark. It sucks. The lighting sucks, but look, mommy, your doctor's appointment. And there go Grandma. Grandma's so excited. Guess what? Grandma. That's the grandma there. But guess what? Whatever you are, pumpkin, my little pumpkin grandbaby. Nope, let's Grandma take off the glasses so camera don't. Whatever you want, Grandma is right. You are making me agree. Look, mommy over there. She like, oh my gosh. Grandma is enjoying herself. You hear me? Up, way to the top. Look, mommy. We're just waiting and waiting and waiting for the doctor now. Oh yeah, Grandma always mess with it, but you know, it's a grandma thing.
What you know about a grandma thing? You're so...
I don't know. Both know it's a grandma. It's a grandma. Okay, let me show you. Wait, let me see. This is what Grandma saw today. Let's see. Let me see. Look at you. Look at you. Think about. Look at you. Grandma saw you today. You were yawning. Then you got so tired. Then you say, oh, Grandma saved me. And then you moved your body. And then you smiled. I feel you smile at Grandma. I think something. And then you pout like, can you stop it already? And then you yawn again, and then you're like, Grandma save me. I heard you. She wasn't pressing on you too hard, right? Tell me. Was the doctor pushing real hard? Because if the doctor was pushing hard, I mean that nurse, Grandma, you know Grandma gonna get hurt. But yeah, look at you. Grandma keep looking. Look at that little nose. Oh, look at that nose. Look at that little cheeks. Your mom thinks Grandma is losing it a little bit, but I'm not.
A little bit?
She ain't seen nothing yet. Wait till you come and Grandma start.
Somebody
really
was like,
up.
it's so cute how Grandma's talking to her unborn grandchild. Like,
yes, Grandma is having a full-blown conversation. Look at your mom. She's let me show you how your mom look now. This appointment, your mom is exactly 22 weeks. Show the belly. This is you growing in here. Okay, now the last time we came to the doctor, mommy was weighing 155. You're growing because mommy is 164 today. Ooh, you see the face of it, Rosie? Look at mommy. Look at your mommy. Look at who's carrying you. She's boring. Look at you. Let me show. Show. My grandbaby wants to see from the outside. Yes. So this is where mommy comes. Every time we come to the doctor's, it looks just like this. Let me give you a little view. It's, you know, that's mommy's sweat over there, her little bag, grandma glasses, her keys. Then it's always another TV up there so grandma can get a good look. So this is what happens every time we come in. Now I'm gonna show you from here on all the rooms we come in, because this one have a little baby. You see the little baby over there, but it's not you. And that's mommy again. And mommy is looking cute in her fashion over.
Mother and I are running errands. We left the doctor's office. Peanut is moving so much. Peanut, aka Baby Grant. Baby has a whole lot of nicknames, okay? But yes, baby's moving so much, doing so well, so excited, getting so big. Grandma's excited, as y'all can see from the previous clip. But anyways, yeah, we're food shopping. Soon get something to eat. I'm starving and I'm tired. I was up late last night till like 2 o'clock in the morning. Me and mommy was up doing nothing. Probably because we slept all yesterday. But you know, mommy's on night shift now, so like her schedule is flipped around. So now she kind of used to being up at night, and then me, I ain't got nothing better to do, so I be up too. Yeah. And if you see Peanut just yarning and ultrasound, like, what you so tired from? You got all the time in the world to be sleeping. Like, what did you doing? So yeah. Pull up in the Benz outside. They have full of vibe over. Girl, I make it up in one night. From come on, she have a few more nights. I touch her, so she turning animal to the music. Brother, me no come as if you prove shit. A woman me a feature, me happy gonna make me use it. Girl, smelly money and a flirt, I put it in a reverse. Feel all of this and know me, I fi get me money worth it. Go on, girl, do your thing. Little from.
In your thigh? When you say foot, I'm thinking your foot. You don't know your body parts?
If somebody foot cut off, but the master them tie cut off. Master cut off from the tie, but the foot cut off.
Do you feel your leg? Yeah. Do it need to cut off? Mother-in-law. Hello, son-in-law.
Hi, is it a boy or a girl?
Is it what?
Is it a boy or a girl?
Is it a boy or a girl? I don't know.
Did you see a dingling or a holy matrimony?
I can't even remember. Check back with me next month for sure.
It's not even next month.
Oh. We have an appointment on March the 8th.
Next appointment is March 8th. Danny's gonna be here. I have to drink that drink. March. She coming March too. Remember March 6th and 11th.
March 6th and 11th.
To the 11th. So the next appointment, I have to drink that nasty drink to see if I have diabetes.
Once that 11 they pass out to me, I'm just gonna need some food and I'm gonna see blood and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna deal with it and put the stomach.
Wait, when did this happen?
No, with this method. Because you never have the time. But now the only hand, sometimes we shoot like octopus. Get only hand, they have only hand. Then you utilize them. Some gonna hold something and then use the next one. Or while they hold something.
Yo,
you get me so mad. Look at your Madonna. In the baby section.
A baby shop, she a baby shop. Yo. If she baby shop, like you know our. Which side that she take, girl side or boy side?
It's both, cause it's baby. So now she talking about for Chris baby, she knows it's a boy, cause she's seen it. So we are back from Wally World. I was all caught up on the phone with Troy. I completely neglected you guys, so sorry. I took my hair out in the car. It was too tight and I just couldn't manage. I put it too tight, but ponytails, I cannot leave it in for too long because I get super annoyed. I seen this tutorial on YouTube where she basically washed her hair, blow dried it, and used mousse to flexi rod it. So I'm gonna try that. I'm about to go in the shower and wash my hair. It's like the easiest way for me to wash my hair at this point. So I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit.